My name is Gunda Krauss. I gave several interviews for the Bank of Memory, and I was asked if I would like to come to some place to be at a workshop to learn how to make a video and to make an interview. And I could choose Finland, Ireland, Greece or Belgium. And at once I said I go to Finland. Everybody of my friends I told I'm going to Finland only for 4 days. They said you are silly in winter. But I never had such a lovely, nice winter. Cold, dry, blue sky and snow. The lakes and the rivers, they were frozen. And it was funny to see the Greek people who they never could believe that a lake could get frozen and they can walk over the lake. It was really very funny. Well, we also worked. We not only had fun, we also worked, and the language was English. And we were 2 Italian guys, 3 from Germany, 2 from Belgium, and 2 from Greece, and about 5 from Finland. And it was also funny, the language, it was a foreign language we had to talk, and we learned the computer, how to make a video, how to cut the video. First we had to translate the Finnish computer to English. It was English. Finnish is a very funny language. Yksi, kaksi, kolme. 1, 2, 3. I always run with a piece of paper and a pencil and ask, how do you say it on Finnish? Goodbye, good morning, and so on. And we worked hard. We took some interviews, and this is a European project. They want to save the history, his story, 2, 3 letters, H-I-S. H for his story, I for information and communication technology, the modern art we have to live with, yeah. And S is seniors. And this European project asked about how we noticed the European Union. While I was born before the Second World War started, and now I live in a free European Union, and that's a gift, a marvelous gift. And it's not ordinary, and we have to save this freedom and this gift. So we have to work, and we have to teach the younger people that it's that we have to work at it and come closer together. So we tell our stories, what we learned, or we passed through life, and how we could manage all the political stuff they told us. And it's very important not to read a history book, but to talk to people who had, now I don't know the English word,
the experience.
The experience of life.
Yeah.
That's the real history, and how people manage it. We are now in a very difficult position about the finance crisis. The Greek, and they have no money. Why don't they have money? Because the bank, they ruled over the world, and therefore, and nearly a war is starting with this money. And I think we have to work at it, that this doesn't come better and better, worse and worse. It's not very good to show Angela Merkel as a Hitler girl. It's no good. And if you ask the people, I asked the Greek people, and they were wonderful young person, really. And I thought it was, we were friends forever. We know each other forever. So much fun, and we were, when we had drove by car to Turku, and we could spread out and see everything. We were on time at the bus again, and we had really also the talking. It wasn't you are bad German. We were friends, and that's the most important thing in Europe. And if you look at this is a Finnish Easter gift, like we have our egg tree, and this is real Finnish. We got this, and also warm socks.